Papaya, which previously often called the fruit of the angels by Christopher Columbus, is a tropical fruit that originated from North America, mostly in Mexico. But, right in the moment, papaya fruit is widely grown all over the world which have tropic climate. Papaya plant can grow to the height of 30 meters and commonly has purple flowers and yellow fruits. We bet that you wouldn't be surprised that papaya fruit contain a lot of benefits for your health because papaya fruit, like any other fruits, commonly known as the healthy foods. But, do you know that papaya leaf could also bring you totally diverse health benefits? In this article, we already have 20 health benefits that you could get for your body if you maximize the use of papaya leaves. If you're experiencing some symptoms like fever, skin rash, headache, muscle and joint pain, you are probably suffering from dengue. But that is the common ones. If you're experiencing any dangerous symptoms like blood plasma leakage, low platelet count, and bleeding, you're probably suffering from the dangerous disease called hemorrhagic fever. Dengue fever is a deadly disease caused by the virus called Aedes mosquito. Some studies indicate that papaya leaves contain enzymes like chimotapine and papain that can boost and normalize the platelet count and the liver damage caused by dengue disease, and then it also will aid the recovery from dengue disease. Other health benefits of papaya leaf is its anti-malaria properties. Papaya leaves have been proven to be very efficient to prevent you from malaria. Some studies indicate that the bitter taste from papaya leaves can be very effective to get rid of malaria out of your body. So, you're strongly suggested to drink some papaya leaf juice when you're attacked by malaria. Do you know that papaya leaf contains higher vitamin A and vitamin C than the fruit? This high content of vitamin C means that papaya leaves could release antioxidant which will fight against free radicals. This antioxidant would be very beneficial to prevent your skin from any skin disease like acne, wrinkles, and heavy pigmentation. Your skin will always glow naturally, then it will boost your overall appearance and confidence too. Papaya leaf is also commonly known for its ability to fight against infection caused by virus such as common cold or influenza. The various components of vitamin like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin A will boost your immune system. Thus, papaya leaves can be very useful to keep you healthy and stay away from any viral infections. Papaya leaves turn out to be a good solution during your menstrual period. Sometimes, it could be really painful when you're in your menstrual period. To reduce the pain, you can use 1 papaya leaf, add some tamarind and salt, then add water to that mixture, and then boil it and simmer it. That ingredient has been proved to its efficacy to reduce the menstrual pain. Emphysema is one of the deadly disease that comprises chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. This disease is widely associated with gradual damage of lung tissue, including the destruction of the alveoli. To prevent you from this emphysema disease, you need a sufficient amount of vitamin D. Papaya leaves contain pretty high amounts of vitamin D which will protect your body from disease associated with emphysema lung. Papaya leaves could be very beneficial for cleansing agent, especially if you make the papaya leaves as a juice. Thanks to the compound called carpain that contained in papaya leaves. This carpain will prevent the growth of microorganisms and other toxins from your body, thus it will make your skin become healthier, because you will be avoided from skin problems like blemishes, pimples, and freckles. Papaya leaves could also be a good solution to treat against eczema disease. Eczema is one of the kind inflammation on the skin, which characterized by itchy, vesicular, weeping, and crusting patches. Papaya leaves turn out have a great ability as an anti-inflammatory, since it can cure your eczema. You could apply the papaya leaves to the area of your body that affected by the eczema after scrubbing. Papaya leaf is also commonly used as a hair treatment in many salon or healthcare stores. Papaya leaves could bring a great benefit for your hair since it will add some shine of your hair, especially when you make these papaya leaves as a juice and then you mix it up with honey or coconut milk. As already mentioned above, papaya leaves contain a compound called carpane. This carpane turns out to be a great source to get rid of dirt and oil out of the hair, as well as strengthening your hair without any side effects. So, rather than buying shampoo and throwing out your money, you need to consider this herbal plant as an anti-dandruff for your hair. Well, you already know that papaya leaves can be really helpful to reduce and alleviate your pain caused by menstruation. The good news is, papaya leaves could offer you more than that. Since papaya leaves have healing properties and very potent to balance your hormones, these leaves could help you reduce the premenstrual syndrome symptoms and also regulate the menstruation cycle. For every one of you that might have some concerns related to diabetes diseases, this is a good news for you. Papaya leaves could stimulate the insulin activity in the body, thus it will help you to regulate the blood sugar levels, and you'll be more likely to avoid from diabetes disease. Also, papaya leaves could decrease the possibilities of having complications caused by diabetes like kidney damage. Papaya leaves also could reduce the oxidative stress that can lead to diabetes. Whenever you suffer from vitamins deficiency, dengue, or chemotherapy side effects, the amount of platelets in the body will be low. If these happen, you need to consume papaya leaves as soon as possible because these leaves can be beneficial to increase the amount of platelets in your body. A lot of research that conducted in around the world evidence that consuming papaya leaves could improve the amount of platelets in your body rapidly. One of the health benefits of papaya leaf is preventing the growth of bacteria, especially the bad bacteria that can cause some problems in your intestines. Some studies evidence that papaya leaves contain more than 50 active ingredients that can prevent you from bad bacteria. The carpane compound that contained in papaya leaves is one of the most important compounds that have responsibility to inhibit the growth of bad bacteria in your body. Tannin compound in papaya leaves also beneficial to inhibit the growth of worms that could be attached to your intestinal system. According to research that published in the West Indian Medical Student, papaya leaves also contain compounds that can prevent you from gastric ulcers. The researchers found out that consuming papaya leaves can increase the activity of glutathione peroxidase, one of the important antioxidants which will fight against free radicals. The research on papaya leaves conducted in rats. They divided into two groups, one group of rats pre-treated with papaya leaves, and the other one is not. The result of that research was the group of rats that have papaya leaves in their body shown less oxidative stress and had the reduction of ulcer formation compared with the other group. Papaya leaves contain more than 50 amino acids such as glutamate acid, glycine, valine, leucine, tryptophan, cysteine, histidine, and many more. All of these amino acids are commonly used as ingredients of commercial cosmetics in the department stores for the healthy and young-looking skin. So, these papaya leaves is by far cheaper than those commercial cosmetics that sometimes can cause you some side effects. it is revealed that papaya leaf could support the work of your digestive system. The papain, chimopapain, protease, and amylase enzymes that contained in papaya leaves will be very useful to break down the nutrients like protein, carbohydrate, and mineral from the food that you just ate, thus it will support the digestive system. This leaf will also protect you from digestive diseases or curing them, because based on studies, papaya leaves contain antimicrobial agents by killing harmful bacteria called H. pylori, which will cause peptic ulcers. Coronary artery disease could possibly happen if you have a high amount of cholesterol levels in your body. To prevent you from this disease, you need a lot of vitamin C that contained in papaya leaves, which then will release antioxidants that can boost the circulation of the blood flow in the body. These antioxidants from papaya leaves could really useful to protect the health of your heart from coronary artery disease. Although this benefit needs further research, but papaya leaves, if you consume it as a tea, can be really useful to benign the prostate enlargement and every disease associated with prostate enlargement. This is probably one of the most important benefits that the papaya leaves could offer for your health. Papaya leaves contain a compound called acetogenin. This compound is widely known for its efficacy against various types of cancer. There are many research that already proved that papaya leaf is an effective weapon for cancer. A study in Japan revealed that the cancer cells in some people can be shut down when they are drinking papaya leaves concoction constantly in daily routine. A research that published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology showed that papaya leaf is one of the herbal cure that can protect you from human cancers in vitro such as breast cancer, lung cancer, and cervical cancer.